A pickup truck hit a CDOT worker on I-70 today, just east of the Strasburg exit. State troopers say the worker was in a clearly marked active construction zone when a Ford F-150 hit him around 11:30 a.m. The 58-year-old was taken to the hospital with serious injuries. Investigators say the driver, 25-year-old Caleb Unrain, drove away but was arrested a short time later. First responders risk their lives on Colorado roads every single day, and too often drivers make those scenes even more dangerous. So Colorado leaders are issuing a clear warning: slow down and move over. Aaliyah Sims from our sister station in Denver went to a recent crash demonstration, which shows exactly what's at stake.
Flashing lights, twisted metal, and a helicopter landing dropping into a simulated crash. It's not real, but the dangers first responders face every day on Colorado roads is.
This week alone, my phone has rang. I've been notified, I've been responding to incidents where patrol cars have been hit, CDOT workers have been hit, fire trucks. These things happen all of the time, and every single one of them is preventable.
According to CDOT crash data, there were 4,775 secondary crashes in Colorado from 2022 to 2024, leading to nearly 260 serious injuries and 43 deaths, mostly among drivers themselves. And this year alone, more than 1,100 secondary crashes have already been recorded, killing 12 people and seriously injuring 59. Secondary crashes happen when drivers hit an existing crash scene, and they're especially dangerous for the crew working to save lives. CDOT says these secondary crashes continue to injure and kill emergency personnel, tow operators, and highway workers. Today's demonstration shows just how fast it can happen.
Nationally, struck-by incidents is one of the leading causes of death for first responders, and Colorado has not been immune to those losses.
With the holiday travel season approaching, agencies say now is the time for drivers to do better, slow down, move over, and give crews the space to work.
When drivers speed through a scene, following too closely, or weave around emergency vehicles, they collapse that safety zone.
For the people standing on the asphalt every day, awareness isn't a campaign, it's survival.
That was Aaliyah Sims reporting. Colorado leaders say the message is simple: if you see flashing lights, slow down and move over.